Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming requirements: a supported PC and a signed-in Google account. Once done, install or update Chrome and grant mic permissions so Assistant can hear you. Open a compatible Assistant entry point, like the web beta or a Chrome extension, and sign in with the same Google account. Make sure your microphone is selected in System Settings and run a quick recording test. This avoids later audio failures and moves you straight into configuring Assistant controls. Now you configure how Assistant behaves and what it can access. In Settings, set your preferred language and choose the exact microphone device. Voice Match improves recognition for you versus others. Link calendars, smart home devices, and streaming accounts so Assistant can act on your requests. Also set wake word options or keyboard shortcuts and tighten privacy controls like activity saving. These steps let Assistant respond accurately and execute tasks like meeting creation. Begin using Assistant with simple commands. Ask for the time, set a timer, check your next meeting, or play music. As you use it, refine commands and add routines for repeated tasks. If Assistant misses commands, restart the browser or extension and recheck microphone permissions. Make sure no other app is blocking audio. If problems persist, clear site data for Assistant or re-sign in to refresh tokens. This sequence resolves most issues and gets you back to hands-free control quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.